Dear students, now we will solve some problems on calculation of Fourier series. First problem. Find the Fourier series for the signal x of t is equal to sine omega naught t. Plot its magnitude and phase spectrum. See, time domain signal is given and we have to find out the Fourier series. See, for the solution, okay, so x of t is given and they are asking us to find out x of k, and after finding x of k I have to find out the magnitude and the phase angle of x of k. So these problems can be solved using two methods, okay, not exactly two methods. There are two equations, analysis and synthesis equation. Whichever is appropriate, we have to use those equations. See, your analysis equation is given by 1 by t integration over the time period t x of t e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt. And your synthesis equation, this is analysis equation. Synthesis equation is x of t summation k minus infinity to plus infinity x of k e to the power of plus j k omega naught t. So for this problem, the appropriate one is to use synthesis equation. The reason is simple. Since the given signal is sine, okay, so you have to use the basic formula for sine, because sine can be expressed as exponential. E to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2j. So we can use this equation or this standard definition, and you can expand the given x of t, which is equal to sine omega naught t, in terms of this, and directly you can compare with this synthesis equation and directly find out Fourier series coefficients, that is your x of k. So now x of t is equal to sine omega naught t, means now you can write it as e. So j, here theta is what? Omega naught t by 2j minus e to the power of minus j omega naught t divided by 2j. Okay, so now this equation you have to compare with this equation. Here actually k is from minus infinity to plus infinity, but here if you observe the k value, so this I can easily write like this: 1 divided by 2j e to the power of j. Okay, so here k will be 1, so some nothing is there, means I can call it as k is equal to 1 omega naught t, okay, minus e to the power of j, here k is minus 1 because I have minus here, omega naught t, okay, so divided by 2j. So x of t is this. Suppose if you expand this equation, okay, here I am having only for k equals 1 and k equals minus 1. So and for other values it's not available. So I can write x of 1 is equal to what? The 1 by 2j, okay, e to the power of j omega naught, and x of minus 1 value is minus 1 by 2j e to the power of j, okay, minus j omega naught t. So like this we can directly write the coefficients, okay. So these are x of 1 and x of minus 1. So from this, okay, I can, which one is x of 1? Here if I expand this, means x of 1, that is multiplied by e to the power of jk omega naught t, and minus 1 is also multiplied by e to the power of minus jk omega naught t. So they are equal. So from this, what is your x of 1? X of 1 is 1 by 2j. What is x of minus 1? It is minus 1 by 2j. So this is your answer. So now the next task is you have to plot the magnitude and phase spectrum, okay. So the magnitude is calculated as if it is a plus j b, then I have told you a square plus b square root of that, and the phase is given by tan inverse b by a if a is greater than 0. So here what is your x of 1? It is 1 by 2j. Okay, so x of minus 1 is 1 minus 2j. So here only the imaginary terms are present. A part in both the sections are 0. Okay, so now I have to take or extract only b, but here j is there. So to obtain in terms of a plus jb, this can be written as 1 by 2, that is half. So if you take this j at the top, you will get minus j. Okay, so this can be written as half j. So from this, what I can write, what is your b? B can be extracted as minus half. Okay, b is minus half. So half square, and you will be having a root, and here a is 0. Okay, so the answer is magnitude of x of 1 is 1 only, half only. Okay, similarly for here also, minus half, if this j goes up, minus j, so this is plus j. So now here b in this equation is plus positive half, square of this. So this square and square root will cancel, and you are left with only half. So this is the magnitude for x of minus 1. So if you want to plot the magnitude spectrum, okay, x of k, so 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and this is k. So for k is equal to 1, what is the magnitude? Half. What is the k is equal to minus 1? It is half, because we have calculated k equals 1 is also half, k equals minus 1 is also half. Now to find out the magnitude spectrum, phase spectrum, same for same k values only we have to plot, because magnitude exists for this. So the phase is given by tan inverse b by a. So what is for k equals 1? So tan inverse b is what? Here b value is minus half, but a is 0. 1 by anything to the 0 is tan inverse infinity. So what is the tan inverse infinity? It is minus pi by 2. Okay, why I am taking minus infinity? Because here half is minus, so that's why a minus will be there. So minus pi by 2. So for k is equal to minus 1, what is tan inverse b is plus half by 0. So here you will get tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity is plus pi by 2. That's why for 1, okay, it is minus pi by 2, and for minus 1 it is plus pi by 2. The same problem is done in your notes. Anyhow, I am going to share the PDF copy of this. So like this, you should write the magnitude spectrum and the phase spectrum. Thank you.